Hey everyone, how's it going? So, what are we doing now? We got that Chevy Silverado, I think this is, or is this a GMC? I forgot now. It's a Chevy Silverado, the one with the rocker arm that wasn't moving and the bent push rod. So, a lot of people had said, and we had actually looked this up too, that these had a known problem for push rods bending, and there was actually no explanation for it on some of them. So, just out of curiosity, we threw a push rod in it. I kind of knew it wasn't going to work because I thought the DOD was unlatched, or AFM was unlatched, meaning that it was in the mode of not allowing the cylinder or the valve to open. I thought this thing might have hit the valve possibly, or the valve was hanging up in the head was another thought, and that's what ruined it. But I can't find anything. So Rick got this thing all apart. Let me show you real quick. And down inside the motor here, you can see, or engine I should say, everything looks good. There's nothing bad to see there. So over on the bench here, we have the head. We took the valves out of that one cylinder, and that's actually the intake, and I thought for some reason it was exhaust. That's actually the intake. There's no leak here. There's nothing I can find. So why was I getting what I thought was air out the tailpipe? I don't know. It's a good question. But let me show you something. So here, this is the cylinder right there, and everything's fine. We actually popped the valves out and took a quick look just to see, and everything is fine. No issues there at all. Here are the lifters. Now this is how they're supposed to sit when they are in a normal upward latched position. In this position, they work like a normal lifter. If this thing was compressed all the way, which I don't have one, if it was compressed all the way and latched downward, then that would be in the AFM position. So what's going on here? It should be latched in either position. What's going on here is this. Let me actually get a tripod just so you can see this. All right, so this lifter here, if I push down on it, it does not move. However, this one, if I push down on it, see it? It's hard to do. See it? Or this one does not. It will not collapse. So this spring here is lesser tension than the valve spring. So what happens is this thing allows the push rod to basically stay stable like this while the lifter goes up and down. So what led to all of this? Supposedly there's harmonics that get involved and create the issue. The lifters getting stuck in the lifter bore in the block is a problem. Sometimes the valves hanging up is a problem. What I think might have happened was there was some kind of a harmonics involved that started to bend that push rod, and when that push rod started to bend, maybe it destroyed the lifter. I don't know. It's also known for these lifters to rotate in their bores. They get locked in place through these flats here. See the flats on the side? They get locked in place through those. And they're notorious for rotating. But at that point, it ruins the cam. The cam lobes look fine. We've rotated the motor over and looked at everything. Everything looks fine. So I think the guy got really lucky. Now, question a lot of people ask, are we going to do both sides? No, we're only doing the one side. It's cost effective to just do the one side. Basically, if you're doing the other side, you're doubling everything. So guy doesn't want to spend that much money doing this, or he wants to spend as little as possible. Understandable. I get it. There's nothing wrong with the other side, so we'll cross that bridge at that time. But what we're doing is we're replacing the DOD lifters on this side, and cylinder 1 and 7, that's cylinder 1, that's cylinder 7, those are DOD cylinders or AFM cylinders, whatever you want to call them. Those are the ones that have the latching lifters. We are replacing all the lifters, so it's getting all new ones. So it's getting 2 of the latching lifters back there, 2 up there, and then 2 and 2 of the standard lifters there. So we should have this thing all back up and running probably tomorrow afternoon, I would think. Unfortunately, I won't be here tomorrow afternoon. Mrs. Wrenching has a doctor's appointment. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. Just thought it was quite interesting. But everything else looks okay. Can't see any other reason for this happening. So harmonics, it seems to be what actually caused this. So just thought I'd show you that. All right, guys, hopefully you're getting something out of my videos, our videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.